on Blender version 3.0. But you should be able to follow this tutorial with the newer Blender versions as well. Before we do anything, head over to the Edit menu, then Preferences, System, and then under Memory and Limits, set the undo steps to a higher value. By doing this, you should be able to use the undo shortcut Ctrl-Z that many times. Now if you see a save button in the bottom left, click on that. I don't have it because I've turned on autosave. Once done, you can close this window. To rotate the view, click and drag the middle mouse button. Shift plus middle mouse button will move the view. Scrolling the mouse wheel will let you zoom in or out, and left-clicking over the objects will select them. If you press N on the keyboard, it'll bring some menus in the sidebar. Here under Items, you can put certain values which will be applied to the selected object. Now under Dimensions, let's put the X and Y value to 10 feet, then press Enter. Blender will automatically convert it to meters, and the Z value to 9 feet. We cannot edit our model in the object mode, so with the cube still selected, press Tab to enter its edit mode. Press 3 to enable face selection and select the top face. Then hold down Shift and select the side faces. Press X and select faces to delete them. Now with the bottom face selected, press P and select selection to separate it from the original model. If you press Tab to go back to object mode, you will see they are now two separate objects. With the side faces selected, head over to this wrench-looking icon in the Properties editor. Under Add Modifier, select Solidify. This will help us add thickness to the model. Drag over the thickness slider to change it, or you can type in manually, -0.3 in my case. The problem here is that the thickness isn't as uniform as we would like it to happen. Marking the even thickness option will fix this issue. Now select the bottom face, and then Shift-select the walls. Under the drop-down in Modifier Properties, select Copy to Selected so you don't have to repeat the same steps again. Before we go any further, let's go ahead and apply the modifiers of both the objects. Right now, our models are very sharp, so to add a bit of roundness, press Ctrl+2. This will add a subdivision modifier of subdivision.